Time to go to a new BSG garage. New BSG garage. Good morning, BSG. I'm in the great state of Georgia, and I'm down here. This U-Haul truck and a dolly, a tow dolly, should I say, and pick up some stuff. And we're going to get my truck, my 66. We're going to take it back. We're going to take it to the new BSG location, where all new videos will be done. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like and the subscribe button. If you don't do nothing, even if you don't watch this whole video, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. What's going on, BSG? So, as you see, we're in the U-Haul. We're on our way to Kentucky to get my 66. Take it to his new place of business. So, that's 6 hours to go. Well, guys, we made it to my brother's house. We got a couple things we need to do to the 66 to get it, see if we can get it started. So, here we go. The old 66. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw this battery here down there and connect it to it. The batteries, the battery cable's up under there, so yeah. The rims for the Mustang in the back, for the red Mustang in the back. Yeah. I can see it's fuel injected. 2003 motor in it. 5.3.
About molehills.
The hell is a molehill?
I got moles in the back.
What's up, guys? So we done made it to the new garage, and we're gonna have a good time here. This spot's gonna be clean and everything else. We're gonna do some work up out of here. Hold on, let me get my key right quick. But before I get into showing y'all the garage, let me show y'all the back. Hope y'all looking closely out there. There's a lake out there, a little river, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're gonna make some things happen here, man. So here's our garage right here. We're gonna get this thing squared away. So let me get some things straightened up, y'all, right quick, and I'm gonna bring y'all back. What's up, BSG? So we got the truck in, man. My brother right there. Look, he look dead, don't he? Because he is. Damn right. So now I'm putting together these damn Dayton wheel dollies. I got 3 more over there. Putting these together so we can push this truck up against that wall over there. And then I got to go get the red car. I know I didn't show y'all me pushing this mug off, but I will show y'all. This one here was too sketchy. It was sketchy when we put this mug on. That was really sketchy, but it was sketchy here because this mug was banging against walls and everything else. And y'all didn't need to see that. So we're going to get the red car, drop it right here in this new home, new spot. And then I'm going to get out of here, man, because I'm tired, bro. I've been working for the past 4 days to get this done. Drove 1,000 miles to get this crap done, so I'm tired. But I know I need to get this done. So we done got the doggone truck empty. So yeah, we making things happen. So I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse, and I'm gonna knock these dollies out. We're gonna put this truck up on dollies, and we're gonna push it against the wall. right, guys. So if you guys are looking for some dollies, man, go to Harbor Freight. These Daytonas are amazing. They are easy to work with. They are very, very strong. And we're about to see how easy it is to roll. So let's get a look here. Ah, shit. So right there.
That was easy.
Yep. Very easy.
You need me for that.
Nope.
You still got room back here.
Yeah. Just like in Texas. Two about to go in there. Some shit that you gotta end up paying for.
What you gonna put on the other side? Let's do it straight like that.
I am gonna put on that. I gotta get it right though. Here she go, y'all. Coming home, let me set y'all up. Don't pay no attention to the folks that might be talking. Yeah. Set y'all up. I can't record. Cable broke. Yep.
All you do is pull up down.
Yeah.
Pull up slow. Slowly.
Yeah.
It's already got one over there.
That's it.
That's it there, Mr. Phelps.
Yeah. Well, good folks, y'all seen it land? This is the new spot for it. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.